にちは。It's Sushi-chan. I hope you enjoy studying Japanese. Today, we will learn how to say I don't like something in Japanese. Let's get started. In the previous lesson, we learned how to say I like something in Japanese. Let's review it. Please say I like cats in Japanese. That's right. The answer is 私は猫が好きです。Let me explain the grammar when you want to say I don't like cats. In Japanese, you can say 私は猫が好きじゃないです。Grammatically, janai means not. For example, if you want to say, my father doesn't like shrimp, you can say, 私の父はエビが好きじゃないです。And if you add です after janai, it becomes a more polite expression. Another example, how can you say, I don't like natto? By the way, natto is fermented soybeans. The answer is, 私は納豆が好きじゃないです。Like I explained, janai means not. So you can use the word janai not only for don't like something sentences, but also for other negative sentences. For example, when you want to say, this is not blue, in Japanese, you can say, これは青じゃないです。Another example, how can you say, my name is not Ben? In Japanese, the answer is, 私の名前はベンじゃないです。Great job! Today's new words. Let's learn the new words which are used in today's lesson. Cat, 猫 shrimp, エビ Homework time! Please review janai. In the homework review video, I will test if you understand this important grammar point. And of course, I will upload Japanese cooking videos during the week. Please check it out. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button. That way, you won't miss any future lessons. See you soon. Bye-bye.